What's up, Chode Masters? It's me again. Well, if you're new, I'm Stavros. I can't say you are because there's not a way to do that other than in the comments section, which is kind of cancer most times in most videos. Anyways, I have a new video review coming at you with the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. You can get this at Target. I think it's about 20 bucks. It has a multi-tool and a little sharpener. Hi guys. And I'm just gonna pop it open really fast and give you a look at it really fast.
And look at this.
So.
Is that a dabbing Spider-Man?
No, it's a dancing Spider-Man gift that he has as a wallpaper.
Morocco love that.
Yeah. Yeah. I got a laugh out of him.
I bet.
So you'd think that with packages and stuff, you didn't like. Remember that I don't know if anybody watching this has seen it, but it's this meme. It's like an ironic thing. You got a no more hassle clamshell packaging opener packaged in clamshell packaging. So it's like, here's this, fixes this problem, but we have to give it to you in this problem. Dang, this thing is in there. Yeah. This is gonna be called 12-year-old tries to muscle open Swiss Army knife for 5 minutes. I'm close. Okay, I'm gonna ask my dad to see what he can do. Hey, Dad. Can you try to muscle this open? I can't do it. Has 12 functions, as you can see here. We got the big knife, a small knife, about 2 bottle openers, a big screwdriver, a small screw. Oh, thank you. He did it. So we have the little sharpening tool. You sharpen it there, and what is this? Oh, it's a sharpener as well, I think. Anyways, it's just a little sharpening keychain. Interesting. Here's the main attraction. Very nice, very shiny, very red, very plasticky. I like it. We have here the big knife. Ooh, that's a big boy. Not as big as my Spyderco one though, but this is a nice one. Cool. That's probably pretty sharp. We got the small we got the screwdrivers. There we go. We have the plier, the screwdriver, crank, crank. We have the reamer. It's like a little small knife. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, this has like grease on it, so it has like some kind of lubrication so it doesn't toughen up. Of course, you have your tweezers. Tweeze, tweeze, tweeze. These also have that lubrication on them. Very nice. And a toothpick. Is there anything in there? Oh. That works very nicely. Alrighty. See you later, guys.